Nice cup of Dodge dealing here.
It's okay, because the weather calls for it.
It does.
It's probably going to be a short video. I don't really plan on making this a big deal. It's just kind of cool to record it and whatever. So we're doing a seafoam treatment on my 17 WRX. I've never done it on this car before, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. To answer your question, Josh, basically, I will take a 10 ratchet. Now I'm gonna put it in 2 different places. So the video I just watched, the guy put it in his intake manifold, but my buddy Chris said to put it in here. I'll show you in a second. But first I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna take this off, the sensor. I'm gonna spray it over here, over here, over here, and over here, and then pull it up a little bit in the middle. Okay? I'm gonna put it back on, start it, let it do its thing. I have to feather the throttle a little bit because it's not gonna wanna start, obviously.
Right.
It's gonna kind of clean all that shit out. Then, after that's pretty much out of the system there, I'm gonna do what Chris said. I don't think you can overdo this because it calls for every 3,000 miles anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one off right here.
Right.
I'm gonna put a little in here, in here, and in here. And I'm gonna do the same thing. So.
Simple enough. Sweet. Exciting.
Okay. Oh my God, this is tight. There we go. It's not that gross. Like I said, it's gonna be super gross. It's not that bad. Okay. Anyway, yep, there's the hole. I'm just gonna spray it. Just sprayed it in there. Now I gotta reinstall. That's when the magic happens.
Huh?
Maybe I didn't put it up there.
Might not have. I don't know.
It didn't smoke at all. I'll pop a little more.
Fuck it.
Gross. I'll do it right here so I can. Can you hold this? You missed the hole. Doesn't it feel weird?
It's like,
oily. It's not.
but it's not like oily. It's just kind of. Whoa, saw that coming.
All right, let's see if this is maybe a little crazier. Not that I'm looking for crazy. I want my car to run right. I have a feeling I'm not putting enough.
Maybe. I don't know.
It's good soup. Okay.
I mean, technically it is. No, not really.
You ready? If it starts like, I said it's gonna sputter, but whenever you're done, like if we're like okay good or whatever, just slide it, just jam it back on.
Yeah, okay. Good thing you don't have a side exit anymore.
Yeah. assess current adding enough. But after we left the car on and then added with the vacuum line off, that kind of did the trick.
You bougie like the devil wears Prada. You always say you love me, never said it to him. You love a